Rocco and Roxy Stain and Odor Eliminator versus Agent Orange Odor Eliminator Pet Spray. With help from my Gearlight UV flashlight. You can see stains here across these carpet squares, but we're going to take a little closer look. Here on the left side there's a little bit of speckling. And then when we switch over to the right side, you can see a huge stain from one of our pets. So we're going to saturate each of these carpet squares. We're putting Agent Orange on the right side, and then we're going to go ahead and saturate the other side with the Rocco and Roxy stain remover, because the left side has a few more actual visible stains. Luckily, the carpet in my basement is carpet squares, so I was able to take the spots out that we were cleaning and rinse them out with a hose outdoors. Before, you could see a lot of stains with the visible light, and then after, they were all gone and completely eliminated, even on the right side with just the odor neutralizer. Before, with the UV light, you could see that stain, especially over there on the right side. And then afterwards, it's nowhere to be found. The only things that are lighting up on the carpet right now were just the carpet. So if I make a recommendation, if you have lighter carpet with tough stains, go for Rocco and Roxy. If the stains aren't a major concern, I'd recommend Agent Orange, because the citrus scent just personally was better for me. But they were both great odor neutralizers, and I'd recommend both.